Hey, it's Captain James. Today is Tackle Tuesday, and I wanted to go over something. I had somebody ask me the other day how I tied my Snell knot. It's one of my favorites. As you probably already know, I like to bottom fish, and you really can't go wrong with the Snell knot. So let me show you how I tie mine. Okay, this is how I like to snell my hooks. I take my, in this case, we've got 80-pound mono, and I run it through the eye of the hook. I'm going to come right down the back side, giving myself about 6 to 8 inches of tag line to work with. I'm going to create a little loop, and I'm going to pinch it between my thumb and forefinger, about the same size as the hook eye. Now I'm going to take my tag end and pass it through the center of the loop that I just created. And I'm going to slide that loop back and pinch between my thumb and forefinger. And we're going to repeat this 5 to 8 times, depending on the size of the line. But with this 80-pound, I could probably get away with a few less turns. And as you can see, each time I'm sliding it back and pinching it between my thumb and forefinger. Okay, once you've got your turns, you can take your standing line and slowly pull and work that knot right up to the shank of the hook. Just like so. Now we're going to grab the tag end and give that a little tug. And we've created our snell. So what I like to do now is grab my hook with a pair of pliers and give that a nice tug just to set that in place. Now we can easily clip off our excess and we've got a completed snell.